Now here I have slipped another color woolen thread from the eye of the needle. I'm going to start weaving. Okay, so this another woolen thread, I'll be another color woolen thread that I'm going to weave. This is one up, one down. It is the same kind of weaving that we've learned from our younger classes. Alternate threads. Again, this is a loose thread, it can be pulled out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this behind and I'm going to secure it again with a tape. So as you can see, this is up, so this thread is down. Again up, down, up, down. But now you know how to weave in and out. There. Now once you reach the other side, turn your loom and again you will start, but this time you will start, now this is ending, this purple thread is up, so when you start again, see that your purple thread goes down. So when we are weaving here like this, you see this is going down. And then continue the way. Just make sure that you're not piercing the wool and actually sewing it inside the wool, but just lifting this woolen thread. Now you see that there is a gap. Very simple, you will use a fork and just lightly push your thread together like this to get a compact weaving. You use a regular tool that you find in your kitchen. Again the same thing, up and down. See that you are not pulling this two sides very tight, otherwise your weaving will look like this. Just let it be at an average pull, not too tight, not too loose. See, when you pull this like this, it will start looking like this. We don't want that to happen. So just let this be loose, but not too loose also. Again I'm going to push my weaving up with the help of a fork. So that it becomes compact. We'll continue this weaving, but since it's a smaller thread, I'll show you one trick how to add another color or maybe the same thread. What you will do is, once your thread is done, suppose you finish weaving till here, what you will do is just remove this and tie a small knot with each other, a simple knot like this. A double knot. Tie one more small knot. Pull it tight so that it becomes very small, and cut away this thread very closely. So there, this will continue. Then you can take the length and again sew the needle back into the thread. So this way the thread will continuously be woven. So once you finish your pink, your green color will start. And we have finished weaving this. I'm just using my fork to tighten this weave.